Now we are about to discuss Act 2, Scene 7, here of Merchant of Venice. Here we see Prince Morocco is about to choose the caskets. There are three caskets, golden one, silver one and leaden one. At first, he reads the inscription on the caskets. In the golden casket it was written, "Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire." আমাকে যে পছন্দ করবে সে পাবে সেই জিনিসটা যেটা অনেক মানুষই ডিজায়ার করে অর্থাৎ আকাঙ্ক্ষা করে। সেকেন্ড ক্যাসকেট অর্থাৎ সিলভার ক্যাসকেটের ওপরে খোদাই ছিল এই ইনস্ক্রিপশন যে, "হু চুজেথ মি শ্যাল গেট অ্যাজ মাচ অ্যাজ ই ডিজার্ভ।" আমাকে যে চুজ করবে সে পাবে যেটা সে অর্জন করে, ডিজার্ভ অর্থাৎ অর্জন করে। And in the third casket, that is on the leaden casket, it was inscribed that, "Who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath." আমাকে যে পছন্দ করবে তার অবশ্যই দিতে হবে এবং এনরিস্ক করতে হবে, দাঁও পার চালানা হ্যায়, সব কিছু যেটা তার আছে। After reading the inscription of all the three caskets, he is in deep sea, what to choose, and therefore he again wants to read the inscriptions very minutely. At first, he reads the leaden casket, and after reading the leaden casket, he thinks, hazard for lead? এই লিডেন ক্যাসকেটের জন্য আমার সব কিছু হ্যাজার্ড করতে হবে? It is impossible that in such a base materials casket the picture of Portia would be contained. Then he comes to the silver casket, and again he reads the inscription, "Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserve." Now he questions himself, does he deserve Portia? Therefore he become overconfident that by his virtues, by his rank, by his profile, he deserves much more than Portia. Obviously he deserves Portia. Moreover, he thinks that from all over the corner, even by crossing the deserts and seas, people come to have a look of Portia. মরুভূমি সাগর পার হয়ে মানুষ আসছে। Even the dangerous Hyrcanian deserts are also being crossed by the suitors to have a look of Portia. They come to kiss the shrine of Portia. And so, obviously, Portia is a valuable lady. Moreover, আমরা বলি হাত থাকতে মুখে কেন, তেমনি সোনা থাকতে রূপো কেন, when gold is 10 times more valuable than silver. Moreover, he remembers that in England there is a coin, and on that coin the picture of an angel is inscribed, and that coin is obviously golden coin. And likewise, within that golden casket, the picture of Portia would be there, as Portia in beauty is almost like an angel. So, he chooseth the golden casket. He argues, moreover, then to cover even Portia's grave, that lead is not proper. So, lead is not to be chosen, and gold is 10 times more valuable than silver. So, he chooseth the golden casket. But oh, what he sees! He sees a skeleton there, and it was written that and in his moreover in that skeleton's eye there was a socket. চোখের কাছে একটা গর্ত, সেই গর্তে একটা পেপার রয়েছে, and when he reads the paper he reads that it is written all that glitter is not gold. চকচক করলেই সোনা হয় না. Moreover, it is written that if the person had wisdom of an old man along with the bravery of a young, therefore he would choose the right one. Moreover, it is written that in the golden tomb, within the golden tomb, there is not any worthy thing, but only worms. So, his choice is wrong. He gets the message, he doesn't protest. Obeying the condition, he is prepared to leave the court at once. Thus, the scene, Act 2, Scene 7 ends here.